And here's what we see from my son's bedroom. We could say, well, this is not one of those things that you see every day. But in our case, this is one of the things that we see every day. Nevertheless, every day is astonishing.